Hello guys, welcome back to Silver Osaroji TV. Today I'm showing you guys how I make beans and plantain porridge. These are the ingredients we are going to be using. We are using tomatoes, fish, pepper, onions, dry crayfish and plantain. Before we begin, don't forget to like, comment and share. Please subscribe. For more videos like this, let's get started. The main ingredient we are going to use is beans. First, we have to pick the beans to check if there is seed or sand inside. Before we start cooking, we have to heat up the water. Now it's time to wash the beans. Once the beans is clean, you have to put it inside the hot water. We are going to be using scorpion fish. You have to keep washing the beans till the water is clean. Slice the onions and add to the beans. It fastens the cooking. To make our sauce, we need tomatoes, chili pepper, onions, don't forget to wash your crayfish. Then you add your crayfish. Blend to smooth. To cook the sauce, heat up the pan, add little bit of palm oil, leave it to bleach little bit, add your onions, add tinned tomatoes, your blended tomatoes, stir it together to cook. Cut the fish into little pieces, wash it thoroughly before you start cooking. To cook your fish, add onions, thyme little bit, salt, curry powder and little bit Maggi. depending on the portion you are cooking. For your sauce, you need Maggi, salt, stir it together to cook. I'm washing the dishes because I like my kitchen to be clean. Once your fish is cooked, you have to fry it. Now it's time to remove the skin of the plantain. After you finish peeling your plantain, you have to wash it and put it inside the beans. A little bit salt to the plantain because the beans have salt already. When the beans and the plantain is properly cooked, then you have to add your tomato sauce. This is the finishing of the food. Beans and plantain porridge is so yummy. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Siva Osaroji TV. Thank you guys, I love you.
Wow! Daddy. Daddy. Daddy, 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 Daddy.
Mhm.